Hello everyone. Hello ladies and gentlemen. I'm really delighted and very impatient to be able to present today the fruit of the labors of a great team of commercial vehicle professionals at Renault. Teams have worked passionately on the renewal of Master, which is the iconic Renault LCV. Master actually represents 40 years of history and 40 years of success. It was launched in 1980 and we have sold over 3 million vehicles under this name. It's present in over 50 countries worldwide and it is a market leader in Europe and Brazil. So the next decade is set to change the face of mobility and commercial vehicles will be a major player. The energy transition, obviously, shared mobility, public transport, autonomous logistics, all of these challenges still await us. We also have new players coming into this segment, although it's already a very competitive segment. We decided to go into the next decade with the fourth generation of Master. Therefore, we had the best possible advantage. But we rethought everything and we redid everything for the benefit of our customers. And so we thought if we're going to change everything, let's start with a chic and sharp design. So our new Master picks up on some of the truck or lorry codes, as you can see here in Solutrans, emphasizing robustness, reliability, durability and safety. You can see the new Renault Master's new proportions, a shorter wheelbase, a larger cargo area and sleeker lines. A very expressive, very recognizable front end which for the very first time incorporates the new Renault brand identity with the new logo on a commercial vehicle. We have C-shaped LED headlamps of impressive proportions, a robust bumper. So this is an assertive and innovative design for the segment. But that was not enough. We really wanted to give meaning to this new design so that the design was really for better performance for our customers. New Renault Master was developed in a wind tunnel. Exceptional work has been carried out on aerodynamics to ensure that it can be positioned at the very top of the segment, enabling it to go further while consuming less and making it into a real Aerovan. You can see the big air intakes on the front face as well as the considerable angle of the windscreen and a tighter, narrower rear for improved aerodynamics. The rear end bears the Master identity as well and also has the reflected C-shape on the rear lights. The cockpit is no exception, where we've changed everything in order to make life easier for our professional customers. It's been designed like a cocoon with the dashboard facing the driver, once again using truck design codes for improved ergonomics. This shape associated with the sharply sloping windscreen increases the feeling of space for the driver. And the 10-inch screen within easy reach that is now becoming a standard over our range. And of course the mobile office with a host of storage compartments with a capacity of 135 liters, making it even more practical. The cargo's dimensions have been redesigned to offer greater load length and easier layout as well, with a very straight bulkhead and numerous anchoring points. Now let's come back to the Aerovan. What are the benefits actually of having an Aerovan? Well, the optimization work carried out on the platform and our aerodynamics has enabled us to reduce the energy consumption of the electric vehicle by more than 20% and also a reduction of 1.5 liters per 100 kilometers for ICE vehicles. This represents also a 22% reduction in our CO2 emissions, which slips us under the 200 gram threshold. So as you can see, this is a multi-energy platform. The new Master will be available as a 100% electric vehicle with two battery options, 40 kilowatt hours and 87 kilowatt hours, as well as a hydrogen version. And of course, also with an ICE version to facilitate the energy transition in an agile way in all countries or regions. Now, this multi-energy platform will be produced on a single assembly line in Batilly in France for greater responsiveness and better competitiveness. Our customers will therefore now be able to use their business-related equipment in exactly the same way as they used to do on an internal combustion master as on electric or a hydrogen-powered master. The choice of energy will not be linked to a particular model or brand, because now everything is possible on the new Renault Master. Let's talk about performance. The ICE version, available in 4 power levels, will also be offered with a new 9-speed automatic gearbox for enhanced comfort. The new Renault Master E-Tech will have a range of over 410 kilometers with an 87 kilowatt-hour battery, and that will give it the very best range to kilowatt-hour ratio on the segment. The fast charge also would give you an extra 230 kilometers of range in just half an hour. And finally, the hydrogen version, which we will reveal to you a little later. New Renault Master comes also with a very, very innovative dynamic braking system, which not only contributes to the vehicle's energy efficiency, but also improves its braking efficiency, reducing reaction time by 50%, whatever may be the load on the vehicle. As a result, the ABS for pedestrians and cyclists really can deliver record times for the segment. The platform also features Renault's new electronic architecture with 20 ADASs for occupant safety and comfort. The electric versions also offer an innovative vehicle with vehicle-to-grid and vehicle-to-load package. So the vehicle-to-load allows equipment to be connected directly to the electric vehicle's battery or via other plugs or to the charger. In this way, all of the conversions are possible on an ICE Master as well as on an electric Master. The Master will be 100% connected thanks to OpenR Link with Google Inside, which is recognized as being the most intuitive multimedia system on the market. And it is also found on the Megane E-Tech. In addition to Google Maps navigation, an electric route planner also makes it possible for our customers to plan their electric journeys. We can also have voice control that can be used for many functions and also for over 50 integrated apps. Connectivity of the vehicle will also enable over-the-air updating so that many new functions can be added continuously and so that existing functions can be kept completely up to date. So it's as simple, as useful and as effective as a smartphone. Now the new Renault Master benefits from many other connected services thanks to My Renault and Mobilize, such as connected fleet management. But the new Master also reaffirms the fundamentals of commercial vehicles with an increased payload, with larger cargo space dimensions, larger sliding side doors to make life easier for professional customers. All of this plus a turning circle that will really surprise you and electric power steering for exceptional comfort, particularly during city driving. And of course, as always, a truly remarkable lineup. To match the needs of all of our professionals, we offer over 40 versions of new Masters, all manufactured in our Bâtilly factory. Different lengths, different heights, rear-wheel drive, front-wheel drive, and loads of new conversions. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. New Master, a real Aerovan, will enable you to go further, to load more, and to spend less. Thank you very much for your attention. I'm going to give the floor back now to Heinz for his conclusion. Thank you. Thank you very much, and thank you to Helen. Of course, we are all eagerly looking forward to seeing the new Master on the streets because it really is the ideal tool for our customers. It proposes a sharper design, improved energy performance, much better aerodynamic performance as we showed you, ever more technology, ever more safety, but also more agility and reliability in order to get an optimized TCO. So Helen, really a big congratulations to you and a huge bravo to all of the design teams, the engineers, the factories and all those who have contributed to the development and who will soon be involved in the production of this new master in Batilly in France.
Donc aujourd'hui, nous sommes parfaitement préparés pour offrir.
So today we are perfectly prepared to offer vehicles and services to all our business customers and also to continue to support them in their move towards a more sustainable mobility, and we will of course continue to do so in the years to come. New Renault Master is simply the first of a new generation of vans that will win over all commercial vehicle customers. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for your attention. And finally, I suggest that we take another look at our new master in pictures. Here you go. Thank you.